A catamaran is a boat with two parallel hulls connected by a deck. That twin hull setup is the secret sauce. It makes catamarans more stable, faster, and roomier than traditional single-hull boats, monohulls. Why people love catamarans. Stability. Less rocking. Great if you get seasick. Speed and efficiency. Slim hulls cut through water with less drag. Shallow draft. Can operate closer to shore and in shallower waters. Space. Wide deck. More seating, cargo, or cabins. Common types. Passenger ferries. Fast inter-island travel. Very common in the Philippines, like Supercat. Sailing catamarans, leisure cruising and racing. Power catamarans, patrol, rescue, tourism, and transport. Cargo, utility, light freight and service vessels. Catamaran versus traditional boat. Catamaran. More stable, wider, faster, but usually more expensive. Monohull. Better in very rough offshore seas for some uses, narrower, often cheapy. If you want, I can zoom in on catamaran ferries in the Philippines, how they handle rough seas, or why they're faster than regular boats. Your pick.